Good morning. I am Mafaz. I am here to present a presentation on topic an alternative for polystyrene lunchbox. We are from group number 28 and I am Mafaz. Our other members are Pereira ACB, Patirana DPTP, Amarasinghe NS, Astet MSc, Mafaz MSc. So we have a look on the content. Introduction, the importance of the project, ingredients and properties, how the polystyrene lunchbox are made, what are the uses of the application of the product, what is the problem with the product. The alternatives which are available and proposed alternatives, then how our product performance is equal to the optimal product. 11. Compare between the polystyrene and the craft of equal values, the discussion, 13. Conclusion. So now we are move on to the next slide, which is introduction. Here we know the majority of the restaurant as well as hotels do takeaway delivery. So in this process, they use polystyrene lunchbox for the packing the food and sending to the customers. Although there are some industries to use polystyrene packing materials for their packing the goods. Although this seems to be very economical, it's a great threat in environmental as well as social and health sectors. As we are an engineering student, we introduced a sustainable substitute for the polystyrene through this presentation. Next we go more to this slide, importance of this project. Through this presentation, we expect to develop a substitute which is used to improve sustainability, and also our goals are to improve long-term viability of natural ecosystem and healthy life for human beings. Even it helped to increase the use of life cycle assessment, simply known as LCA. Now we move on to the ingredients which are needed to make polystyrene. The raw materials are ethylene, benzene, styrene, natural gas, crude oil, and petroleum. And these are non-renewable energy resources. Now we have a deep look on the properties of the raw material used. So the benzene, if you look on the benzene, it's colorless, and ethylene, it's flammable, and crude oil, it's flammable and as well as electric conductivity. And we look on the natural gas, colorless, odorless, and it's also flammable. And next one is, last one is styrene. It's amorphous, gamma radiation resistant, flammable. So we are moving to the part where this is the flow chart of the manufacturing process of the polystyrene. So here we put the raw materials and this process, so the manufacturing process, the machinery process, and we get the final product. As well as we get the some product byproducts such as chlorofluorocarbon, hydrocarbon, which is hydrocarbon, toxic, and styrene gas, CO2. These are very toxic gas if we exposed to environment without any filtration or reduction. So now we move on to the uses and of this product. Here are the places we use the polystyrene and why. The main points are to ensure the protection of food inside the box from the atmosphere, from the moisture. We protect the food from the nature. We use polystyrene iceberg. As well as there's another important point. It's a very low cost and low weight material. Yeah, we can buy polystyrene iceberg. Most of the hotel people, because of the low cost, they buy polystyrene iceberg without thinking of the impact. And it is commonly used in food delivery segment. Food delivery shops normally send their foods delivered to the customers through the polystyrene lunchbox. It is a very powerful thing. Now we have a look on the problems in the stage of the polystyrene life cycle. As the beginning, the extraction of the raw materials. In this we can see some problems such as the main toxic hydrocarbon was pentane. It was emitted while this, and the other thing is the chlorine dioxide is uh, used. It is a toxic gas which can harm water bodies. And then the next stage, the second stage of the polyester life cycle is transport production. In this production, we have high level of energy use, where in the manufacturing plant they use more energy, high level of energy to manufacturing process, and also the toxic gas and other substance, chemical substance emit to the environment can cause acid rain and other global warming problems and other natural disasters. And the third part, in the third stage of pollution life cycle, consuming food in the landfill. Here we use hot food item, and when we use this type of hot food item in the polystyrene cup or plate, the styrofoam in it will partially break into benzene and styrene. These benzene and styrene, if we inhale into our body, it will cause serious uh, diseases such as cancer, leukemia, and etc. And we move on to the fourth stage of the polyester life cycle. It is removing and disposing. So here we when we remove or disposing, normally some people burn the polystyrene. This causes high amount of release of carbon monoxide and styrene monomer into the environment. This will cause a high toxic for the soil and other plants, and some wild animals, if they eat it, they will have a health problem. And it also pollution water bodies. Due to this, people who drinking that water can get some of the illness. It is a high health issue. So now we move on to the alternative which are available instead of usage of polystyrene. So number one, alternative packaging material to polystyrene. Here, the solution for the previous problem addressed is minimize the use of non-renewable energy. From the alternative one, we can minimize the use of non-renewable energy as well as a green economy solution. It's a green economy solution. And by that solution, we can do some make craft meal box where banana leaves used as a wrapper. And the second alternative, instead of packing material polystyrene, is the solution for the previous problem addressed is alternative for the waste material and craft artist. Where the bowl made using bamboo trees and bamboo leaves are used to solve the problem regarding the packing material instead of polyester. And the third last important point is alternative from the waste material. If we get some alternative products from the waste material, we can reduce the waste materials too. We can reuse and recycle. Those are wooden box, and some plates and boxes are made using hay. Those are good for the solution. So now we move on to our proposed alternative for the problem. Here the best alternative. Here we look on to the best alternative product, replace the original product. Our alternative was craft meal box made by craft material, and banana leaves as a wrapper to wrap the food, where the properties of the polystyrene is satisfied. This is the important. We satisfy the properties of polystyrene, and our target is achieved through the alternative reduce the footprint by 70%, and it's too environmental friendly and good sustainable substitute for the polystyrene lunchbox. We have a look on the benefits achieved by the alternative. The craft papers books are produced 28% fewer amount of greenhouse gas when we at the production, manufacturing, and at the end of this life cycle. And it decomposes within 30 to 20 period of time in the landfill, and it also decays in water easily, and its recycling capacity is little bit high than polystyrene and other polystyrene materials. So the recycling rate is very high. It can be used at a high rate, and they don't emit any of the toxic if they exposed to the environment. If people put them into the environment, there are no any toxic emitted such as which are emitted on the polystyrene. So now let's have a look on the performance. How our product performance is equal to the original product. The consumption of takeaway food is increasing in the world today. Yeah, as the population growth is increasing, the people consuming amount of food also increasing, and due to the time they have enough time, they busy work schedule, the takeaway food they orders from the hotels and other areas, the food takeaway foods are increasing. So the usage of polystyrene to increase. So it's a very bad environmental impact because the polystyrene are materials and compostes are very low recyclability. So we are with the best alternative. We found is a craft box which is made by craft papers and banana leaves as a wrapper to cover the food. We look at the beginning stage of the craft papers. If we look at the craft paper production, it uses very less amount of renewable raw materials. It also takes less energy than polystyrene for manufacturing papers, and we can get banana leaves from uh, banana plants where it is few very low cost than polystyrene. We can go absolutely zero cost. Next, we will have a look on the usage of our alternative. Here, the craft papers are strong enough to make as a box, so we can carry food from putting on it. And also, we use banana leaves as a food wrapper to cover the food and protect it from the spilling out from the box. And it also the important, when we pour hot food on it, it doesn't emit any toxic or harmful chemicals, as well as it emit. Uh, and we next look at on the disposal and after use decomposed part. Here we have a two chart, two column. They are the craft box with banana leaves and polystyrene. Let's look on the craft box with banana leaves or alternative. It produces very few, 28% of greenhouse gas. It's very few compared to polystyrene. And it decomposes in landfill in 30 days and decomposes in water with a few weeks. And after, the far easy to recycle and recycle at a higher rate. It is very easy to recycle these types of materials, so the recycle rate is very high, and it needs less energy to manufacture, and also it reduced the carbon peak by 17%, where as the record of Perisio Kelmas 2008. Now we have a look on the polystyrene column. It emits greenhouse gas, the carbon footprint. Now we move on to the discussion part. As overall, we discussed the environmental pollution has increased due to the people's growth. The usage of polystyrene box is to increase, as I mentioned before. As a result, many environmental disasters such as acid rain, global warming, flood occur. Since they are, as a result, we had sacrificed many of our lives and property due to this natural disaster. This only happened because of the uncare of people. People didn't care of the nature. The bad activities, the bad environmental impact cause these type of natural disasters which hit back to us. So we can try to minimize one of the major problems. We are trying to give a better solution as our ability. And we choose an alternative instead of using usage of polystyrene lifeboats. So now we move on to the conclusion. Here, by the above alternative, craft box and banana leaves, we can completely replace the usage of polystyrene. And also, since the properties of the polystyrene is satisfied by the alternative product, which is craft box and banana leaves, we can eliminate it too. And also, we can reuse the material. We can use the craft papers again for production other cardboard types, and also use banana leaves for compost and feeding animals. So finally, with the reference part, and thank you very much.